see the in the formal greetings. The what is formal greetings in English? First, let's talk about the formal greetings. We use that. We will talk to people like our teachers or our boss, someone older, or people we do not know very well. It is polite and respectful, but we will remember that the formal greeting usually is used or are used with that people because the teachers and bosses, someone older, and people we do not know. But in that case, we will use this formal greeting, and it's politely and respectfully. Let's go to that. What is the formal sentences we will use before beginning the conversation with a teacher and others? Good morning. We can say the pretty fast of all. Good morning. Good morning is you have to use the use in the morning. Use in the morning usually from sunrise until 12 p.m. or none till or none. Used in the morning usually from sunrise until 12 p.m. 12 p.m. or none. Okay, lunch time. That time till lunch time. So we can use the good morning with the teachers with the formal greetings at the time. For example, I can say that good morning, sir. Sir is our boss, but teacher can be a sir or woman or madam. When you meet your teacher, so you can say good morning, sir. Good morning, class. Good morning, class. When I start the class. When I start the class. Then I can say that viewers, good afternoon. You can say that good afternoon. Good afternoon means good afternoon used in the afternoon from 12 p.m. until about 5 p.m. From 12 p.m. until about 5 p.m. you can use good afternoon. For example, you can say good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. To a female teacher in afternoon. Good afternoon, okay, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So good afternoon is of course the formal greeting you have to use from 12 p.m. until about 5 p.m. That's really amazing. Let's talk about the good evening. Good evening, okay. Used in evening from about 5 p.m. until late night. 5 p.m. until late night. Good evening, Mr. Rahman. Good evening, Mr. Rahman, to an adult neighbor, or good evening, doctor. But it's a formal because they are senior than us. So that's why we have to use or you have to show our respect. Then you can say hello, 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 meaning that's a general greeting that can be used at any time. But it is often more formal or neutral. Formal or neutral can be in any time. Example, hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? When answering the phone to someone you do not know, that time you can say hello, how are you? Hello, I am here for the meeting. Hello, I am here for the meeting. In different way you can use. But activity I can brought here that when you can say hello, anytime, is it formal or informal? But you can use that both formal and informal. But it leans formal, neutral. It leans formal and neutral. That's why it's both correct. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Meaning that when you say nice to meet you, when we say this, when we meet someone for the first time, when we meet for the first time, that's how we can say nice to meet you. It means that I am pleased to meet you. I am pleased to meet you. That means nice to meet you means I am pleased to meet you. But you can say instead of this sentence you can use this one at the last. Hello, my name is John. Nice to meet you. For example, I can say that you can see example. Hello, my name is John. My name is John. Nice to meet you. Because they meet for the first time. That's why saying that nice to meet you. But I can brought a practice for you that last practice I will give you a situation and you tell me the best formal greeting. Okay, I arranged a example. That's the you can say you see your principal at 10 a.m. You see your principal at 10 a.m. What do you say? You say good morning. You say good morning because you were meeting him at 10 a.m. means in the morning. That's why you can say for the first time good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. You meet a new colleague at 12 p.m. What do you say? What do you say about him? You can say good afternoon, because 2 p.m. I told you that till from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. you have to use the good afternoon. Okay, so because you meet your colleague 2 p.m., so you should say good afternoon. Good afternoon, nice to meet you at last, you can say. Well, you meet your neighbor at 7 p.m. You meet your neighbor at 7 p.m. What do you say at that time? Of course you say good evening. You just say good evening, because 5 p.m. to the till night you have to use the good evening. Okay, informal greeting. Now we are going to learn informal greeting. When you will use that? Let's learn about informal greetings. These are for our friends, family. These are our friends, family, or family we know very well. With them we can use the informal words. With whom? Friends, family, people we know very well. They are more relaxed and casual. You can say hi. It's a informal. Hi, you can use hi. Hi is informal. It means that a very common and friendly and informal way to say hello. Informal way to say hello. But you can say the formal hello we can use. But instead of that, you can say hi or hello. You can use hi Sarah. How are you? Hi Sarah. How are you? Because you know the Sarah very well. That's why you can use hi. You are so familiar. She can be your friends, or he can be your buddy or family member, whatever he. But you can use. Sorry. What what's a quick, friendly way to greet your best friend? What a quick, friendly way to learn best friend is, of course, the hi. Hi is an activity. By example, hey is another greeting. You can say meaning it's an informal, even more informal than hi. More informal than hi. Usually for every close friends or to get someone's attention, you can use hey. With friends you can use, or to get someone attention you can say hey. Hey is a informal. It's a informal. You can say, for example, hey buddy, what are you doing? Hey buddy, what are you doing? If you see your siblings, what might you should to get their attention? Of course, hi. But when your friends or someone or best one are still doing work, but you'd like to talk to him or talk to her, but you will need her attention. That's time you can say, hey buddy, what are you doing? May I talk to you? May I talk to you? But what's up? A very casual way to ask, how are you? How are you? Or what's new? How are you? Or what's new? We can use. Example is, hey John, what's up? What's up? Well, you can say what's up is a very casual way to ask how are you? How are you? But what's new? But instead of how are you, or you can say viewers what's up or what's new. That's the informal. Example is, hey John, what's up? Hey John, what's up? Hey, here's informal. What's up is informal, because John is very well known for you, and your friends can be, family member can be. That's why you can say hey John, what's up, or what's up means the how are you, John, how are you? Response, not much you, not much you. Okay, how is it going? But how is it going? How is it going is indicate how is it going means how are you indicate. Another casual way to ask how are you things, or how are you, instead of despite, but instead of how are you, because the how is it going, that's informal. Yes, informal, remember that. Hi Maria, how is it going? How Maria, how is it going? Response, yeah, it's going well, thanks, it's going well. But answer, it can be the question is really you were asked in present continuous tense, how is it going, but you have to answer, it the same sentence, same tense. You can say it's going well means that's okay, I'm very fine, I'm very fine. That's the way you have to answer. The activity I brought for you, that when you meet a friend you might say hi, okay, and they ask how are you doing. Slightly less informal, but still common among friends. But it's really, it's continuing with friends and family members. How are you doing? That sentence. Similar to how are you means similar to but I am well, or how are you? How are you? But how are you? Example, hello Tom. Hello Tom, how are you doing today? Practical activity informal I brought for you, viewer. You can see, let's practice informal greetings. I'll give you a situation and you tell me the best informal greetings. This is very task for you. You see your best friend at school, okay? What do you say that time? hey, you can say hey or what's up, but among three you can use one, because these three words very in not informal, is not it is informal, not formal. Okay, so but your friend is very familiar, you can say any words with him or with her. That time you can use for the first time meeting, hi, hey, what's up. But three are informal, that's why. But you call your brother on phone, what's quick greeting? Hey is quick greeting is hey. Okay, you meet your classmate after a long weekend. What do you say? Hi, or how's it going? You can say hi, or how's it going. But you can say that they ask in an answer, how are you, but 10 minutes, but you do practice 10 minutes about this. How are you, formal or informal, most common can be. How are you doing, formal or informal. How's everything is the formal. How informal, how is everything. How have you been when you use this sentence, when you haven't seen someone for a while, but that time you can use how have you been, means how are you. Answer, I'm fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. I'm good. I am good. You can see the I am good, thanks. I'm good at informal. I'm doing well, thank you, formal. Not bad, thanks, informal. Not bad, informal. So thanks. It's a thanks. Okay, I'm great, informal. I'm great, informal. When you feel very good, that time I'm great in, that's informal, but you feel very good. You feel very good that time. Just fine. It's also called informal. When you feel okay. The asking back, remember to ask the other person back. Okay. And you, but when you actually, when someone will ask, how are you? But you answer the fine. But how you will ask him about him? You can say, and you, but you can use how about you, or how about you. People say how are you, yes, I'm fine. And you, we can use and you. But I'm trying to know about him, about his feelings, about his condition, situation. That time you can use anyone among them. Okay, you and you, or how about you, what about you, so you can use one three of them. Example of conversation, if I show you, that's person A, good morning, how are you. But it's a dialogue I brought actually. A person a good morning, how are you. Good morning, how are you. You can say I'm fine, thank you. But in response you can ask and you, or what about you, or how about you. You can ask, "No, I'm good, thanks. I am good, thanks." So this is very important for the beginner, for the English easily understand. Please find a partner. You will work in pairs. Okay. Scenario one, that's formal. Imagine you are meeting a new teacher for the first time in the afternoon. Greeting them, ask how they are, introduce yourself, and say nice to meet you, and nice to meet you. So it's very important for, imagine you are meeting a new teacher. Okay, meeting new teacher for the first time in the afternoon. So greet them and ask how they are. Introduce yourself and say nice to meet you at last. So that's the very formal way. Informal way is that, now imagine you see your friend at park. Okay, greet them and ask what's up or how's it going, because they are known, because they are known. Okay, that's why you are asking informal ways, how's it going, what's up, hey, hi. That's kind of is a greeting. And have a short set. Exam specific question, I brought the quiz example. Okay, that you have to answer them 3 seconds by pausing this video. You see your teacher at 9 a.m. What do you say? Hi, hey, good morning, or what's up. What do you say? But you have to answer yourself. You meet your best friend at after school. What do you say that time? Good afternoon, hello, hey, nice to meet you. But among full, which one will be correct according to question? Another one, that it is 7:30 p.m. and you see your neighbor. What do you say? Good morning, good evening, hey, what's up. What do you answer? pause in video, you should answer. If you do answer correctly, so you are the success learner. I believe. You meet a new person at a formal event. What do you say after introducing yourself? What's up? Nice to meet you. How's it going? Or hey, which one? Which one will be perfect and will be exact answer? Part B, you can see match the greeting to the situation. Instruction is actually getting to you. Draw a line from the greeting to the situation where it would be appropriate. It would be appropriate. Greeting situation 1. Good morning. A meeting a close friend 2. Hi. B. Meeting your principal at 10 p.m. Good afternoon. Starting class at 8 a.m. How's it going? In asking a friend, how are you? Or informally. But this is not the exact way, but here is the main problem. But you have to answer that for answering the below question. Good morning. A meeting a close friend. Hi. B. Greeting. But you have to. But you read carefully this one and that you answer and complete this gap. This of course this gap you have to answer correctly. Good, what will be the in the here, what will be the here? Good afternoon hobe, good morning hobe, good evening hobe, which one will be here? Good afternoon Ahmad, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And here what will be, and what will be here? But what will be here? You can say you have to answer them, because carefully. You can say here hey, okay, because informal or hi, we are meeting, we say the words are used when informally we begin to, talk, we begin conversation. That's why you can say hey here, okay. But we can say but meet you, what place to meet you can be, or you can say the nice to meet you, assuming the just meet. Short answer, you can say the answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentence. When do you use good evening? Give an example of an informal greeting. What do you say when you meet someone for the very first time? That's very important. Viewers, I learn you, I make you clear, I make you everything clear how you will use the greeting sentences in different time with different people. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you so very much.